In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw fiat from KuCoin to your bank account. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer your cryptocurrency into traditional currency seamlessly. Start by navigating to the KuCoin website. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, ensure that you are on the main KuCoin interface, which features various options for trading and buying crypto. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy Crypto. This button is typically found on the main page, often highlighted for easy access. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with options to buy cryptocurrency using different methods. After that, select the option labeled Buy Crypto again in the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the interface where various payment methods are displayed, such as credit cards and bank transfers. Keep in mind that different payment methods may have varying processing times and fees. Once this appears, find the message that indicates you can buy instantly using Visa, MasterCard, bank transfers, and more. This confirmation shows that you are on the right track to making your purchase. Click on the Trade Now button to proceed. Following that, you will see a message that states buy and sell crypto instantly. Click on the option labeled Sell. This step is essential as you will be converting your cryptocurrency into fiat currency. At this point, select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell by clicking on the designated area. This action will allow you to choose from your available assets. Type in USDT to find the Tether cryptocurrency, which is commonly used for such transactions. After locating USDT, click on it to select this cryptocurrency for sale. You will then need to specify the amount of USDT you want to sell. Enter the desired amount in the provided field to continue with the transaction. Next, click on the option labeled I will receive. This will prompt you to choose the currency you wish to receive in exchange. Click on USD to indicate that you want your funds in US dollars. Following that, click on the Receive With option. This selection allows you to choose how you will receive the funds in your bank account. It is crucial to select a method that aligns with your preferences. Then click on Select to proceed with your chosen payment method. This action will enable you to view available options for receiving your funds. Next, click on Select Payment Method. This will present you with various payment options. Review these carefully to ensure you select one that is convenient for your banking needs. After that, click on Sell USDT. This action will initiate the selling process, and you may see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. If you want to withdraw fiat from KuCoin to your bank account yourself, I placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This link will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the withdrawals successfully. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Subscribing will keep you updated with the latest guides and tips for using cryptocurrency platforms. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.